Hello, I'm Jim Binnion, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet using the Damasteel Damascus stainless steel in the Bonny Doon press with the Bonny Doon bracelet forming dies. So we're going to start off with the large radius bracelet forming die, and we're going to set the urethane block directly underneath the center of the die. And we're going to start working with the Damasteel blank right about in the middle of the blank. So we're going to start forming the large radius curve, and we'll move along with the press allowing us to start bending the blank. And as you can see, it forms pretty easily. All right, so now we're going to switch over to the small radius die since we've got the larger radius in the blank. It's real easy. They snap on and off with magnets. And now we're ready to start working on the ends of the bracelet. So now we've got one end, and switch around, get the other. And we're starting to get there. I'm going to give it a little bit more. I think we ought to be good at this point. I've taken the bracelet and I put it in the kiln at 1750 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. I quenched it in water, and then I took the 3M 40 micron abrasive finishing film and polished off the high points and left the oxide in the lower areas on the bracelet. It's then finished with a bit of Renaissance wax and a slight buff. It presents a very nice black and white appearance, and frankly, it's my favorite way to finish Damasteel Damascus stainless steel. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Rio.